Hi, my name is Priam A. I'm an incoming junior and I attend Choate Rosemary Hall. And today I've hit my first milestone for my MIDI controller. And a MIDI controller is essentially something that works with any sort of music software on your computer, like GarageBand. And you can just assign these certain buttons and sliders certain sounds, and then you can distort the sound using different switches and whatnot on the board. And so for my first milestone, I finally got the program and the essential software to work. I don't have the hardware around. That'll definitely be the next milestone. But so far what I have is we have 6 buttons all lined up right here. I have a pull down resistor just to make sure that we've set the voltage on the Arduino. And then I also have one potentiometer, which is going to be used to it can change the pitch if you want. So that way you can create almost an infinite amount of sounds, and it just provides a lot of really cool opportunities, and it's a really fun user experience, that's for sure. Something I really enjoyed doing with this, I really enjoyed the setup, like the building. I really enjoyed learning how to, breadboard and understanding a little bit more about, wiring these things up and what a pull down resistor was and how exactly to configure this entire thing so that way the Arduino can understand. And then something I struggled with definitely was kind of debugging. The code that I had originally selected was a little flawed, and so I worked really hard with my instructor Ian on it, but eventually we got it working. And then another thing that we also struggled with was trying to use a converter to get the Arduino to speak to the MIDI port in the computer. That was an issue for a solid day, but we made it through. And the final product is definitely something I enjoy. It's super fun. Like, you can press a button and it just makes these really cool sounds, like, and see what happens if I can turn the potentiometer a little bit. So kind of alters the reverb of the effect, but it's really fun to play around with, and I'm working right now to assign different buttons, different notes, and the next milestone will definitely be designing an enclosure and just adding more buttons to the software. Yeah.